Hi guys, I'm Sudarshan from Bank Exam EC. I'm going to teach you banking awareness related questions that is very important. I'm taken from last last year IBPS questions. I'm always seen that IBPS clerk mains is always asking in IBPS related question, banking awareness related question. So probably they ask in a 6 to 7 question from a banking awareness. That is why making this somebody asking me please provide a banking awareness related question. That is why making this. That is, it is definitely helpful for your clerk main exam. We have left only 4 days, so please try to concentrate on your exam only. Please leave all the entertainment, please forget your friend, please forget your past. So please try to concentrate on your clerk main exam. So don't go anywhere, don't give up anything. So please try to concentrate on your exam. So let me move a first question. X. Yes, National Education Day is being celebrated on 11th November. National Education Day is always commemorating on Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. So next slide, and it's very important questions. We have always seen a question in a like main exam. That means abbreviation question they are asking regularly. So please try to see that all the abbreviation. It is one of the important abbreviation BCSBI. So please try to abbreviate the BCSBI, Banking Codes and Standard Board of India. And the question is the independent and autonomous institution in which the membership was open to scheduled commercial bank, RRBs, and select urban cooperative bank is Banking Code of Standard Board of India. It's a very important question. And next one, self regulatory organization for NBFC. That means NBFC MFI is microfinance institution. That means microfinance institution network in the banking regulator RBA. So don't forget that self regulatory for organization NBFC. MFI means MFIN, microfinance institution network. The next one is, look at the following question. It's very important questions. They are asking repeatedly about one of the question from these type of money transfer in a banking related services. So MMID is the mobile money identifier. I will also giving image to three mobile phone images. They please see that we have to transfer money from a mobile to some other mobile, some other person. So we have a mobile money identifier. Then only we have to transfer the money, and it's a 7-digit code, and also it's required to transfer fund through IMBS, immediate payment service. So please, the answer is all 1 2 3, and one is, which of the following is the incorrect? So over the counter, OTC means over the counter. That means the uh, security brokerage. That means it's a word from a security exchange. That means stock market related brokerage. And OTP means one time password, and PKI means public key infrastructure. And another is USSD. USSD is very important. When we dial mobile star triple one as, we have seen that USSD. So USSD means unstructured supplementary service data. So don't forget that it's one of the important questions. So maybe they are asking a question from these USSD abbreviations also, because we have recently in a currently we have currently in a demonetization. So government has pushed the people to go cashless economy. So that is why they were bankings are also serviced to star double nine as USSD services. So please take a mobile and type over star double nine as, you can see a lot of services to your bank. So without internet, so that is why the banking they are giving to services to the our customers. So please use that star double nine as, maybe probably ask in a question also, USSD services number also they are asked. So please see that that question's answer is star double nine as. And regulator for credit rating agency is SEBI. We are all know. We are actually in India. The CRISIL is a very important credit rating agency, and is regulator is SEBI. So don't forget that. And the banking regulator is the RBI, and the insurance regulator is the IRDA, Insurance Regulator and Development Authority. And headquarters in the International Labour Organization, Geneva. We must know all the organization related headquarters. So please don't forget that. WHO is Geneva, ELO is Geneva, and World Metallurgical Department also Geneva. And don't forget that IMF and World Bank in Washington DC. IMF means International Monetary Fund. World Bank, so that is also in Washington DC. CTS, check truncation system, was introduced in a NCR, means National Capital Region. Check truncation system was introduced in the National Capital Region. So don't forget that. Is very important questions. MICR is a magnetic ink character recognition to capture the images in a clearing system. From the data, very important question there is recently the RBI prelims exam, they are asking these type of questions. Sorry, this question only. From the date of non-traceable report or FIR is lodged for missing person, presumption of death can be made only after the lapse of 7 years after the filing FIR. If suppose, I'll tell you the reason. Suppose one persons are missing, that person families are giving to that person family lodging a complaint against him. So the police also searching that person, but up to 7 years they are searching. After 7 years only, they are the police announced this person is a death. So up to 7 years the police also searching after filing the FIR. So don't forget that. Account which will have benefit under income tax is tax saver department. And which of the following is a fund based support, overdraft facility, and letter credit and bank guarantee, performance guarantee is also non-fund based support. Banking covered under 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So very important question. Banking is covered under the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution, and we must know about RBI Act 1934 and Banking Regulation Act 1949. And banking ombudsman, it's appointed by RBI. So banking ombudsman, very important questions. Recently the current affairs, banking ombudsman recently inaugurated in New Delhi. So don't forget that is very important questions. The second banking ombudsman in NCR, and banking ombudsman is appointed by, and banking ombudsman is also giving up to 10 lakh award for the customers, and credit card complaint only 1 lakhs they are giving. So appellate authority for banking ombudsman is deputy governor of RBI. And minimum period of certificate deposit if issued by financial institution is 1 year. And which of the following was established to integrate multiple payment system? National Payment Corporation of India. So next one, the number of members required to start a cooperative, or 10 members to start a required to start a cooperative bank. And minimum gold reserves prescribed for RBI is 115 crore. Recently, last year IBS Clerk Main exam, they are asking these questions. So don't forget that minimum gold reserves are prescribed by RBI is 115. Very important question. Minimum gold reserves prescribed by RBI is 115. DIGCC means Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporations. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee corporations, and government intend to give resident identity card to each and every citizen above 18 years of age by creating NPR, means National Population Register. And routing ATM transaction among the banks is made possible through NFS. Very important question. National Financial Switch is under the National Payment Corporation of India. I will give you the images with below the questions. SWIFT means Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication to the bank-to-bank communications. I stands for enter bank. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this, please subscribe this.